if you are using WSL as I do, you will probably have the same problem, or already you had this problem, with the size of the virtual hard drive. It will grow and grow till will reach the maximum size, which is 256 gigabytes. And even if you remove files from your distribution, the size of the virtual hard drive, the physical file on your drive, won't be smaller. So to regain the space of your physical hard drive, you need to make smaller this virtual hard drive file. To do that, we need to use some tools. Let's look at my virtual hard drive size. As you can see, my virtual hard drive size is currently about 112 gigabytes. You can find that file with virtual hard drive in your home directory and app data, packages, and the name of the distribution which you are using. In my situation, it's Ubuntu 22. Okay, let's check in our distribution how much space we really are using. So you can see this is the maximum space which can be used, and this is the 30 gigabytes which is in reality used. So yeah, we can regain a lot of space from our physical hard drive. How we can do that? We need to use some tool which is named disk part. But first we need to turn off the WSL. So we need to run WSL shutdown from the PowerShell. But of course, don't forget to save all your work which is currently open from the WSL, close all your Dockers containers, and then shut down the WSL. So right now we can see it's turned off. Okay, so let's open the tool which is named the disk part. So let's open the disk part. We will get new window. Okay, and now we need to attach our virtual hard drive. To do that, we need to copy the path where our file of the virtual hard drive exists. So let's jump to File Explorer, copy the path, and let's paste it to the command. I maybe take it a little smaller so you will see everything side by side. Okay, so first we need to select our drive. So let's select Vdisk, and we need to select the file. So file, and we are pasting, of course, and we need to type our file of our file name of the virtual disk. Okay, so our virtual drive is selected. So let's check the details. So we need to type detail and Vdisk. So we will see details of attached Vdisk. Okay, so we see the virtual size is 256 gigabytes and physical is 112, like we saw it earlier. Now we need to set this virtual drive to read only, because we don't want to any other operation try to attach to this virtual drive, so our data could be broken. So attach Vdisk. Let's check if everything will work properly. Of course, this is read only, and we have a problem. Something is using our virtual disk. Probably, I'm for sure, I didn't close Docker Desktop, so it restarted the WSL. Exactly. it's running. So we need to turn it off. I will turn it off the Docker. And it's stopping, so we need to wait a little. Now it stopped, so we need to again turn it off the WSL. So let's jump to PowerShell, WSL shutdown. We can jump back to our disk part. Let's try to attach again. Yeah, great. It's attached in read-only mode, so no other process will try to read this file. Okay, so we need to regain our space. We can do this by the compact command. And this command will regain our space. So it will do a defragmentation of this virtual disk, and we will have our space back. So we need to be patient. Great. We regain our space. If you look at the file size, we see that currently we have regained a lot of space. Currently it's about 36 gigabytes and a little more. But yeah, so we regain almost 100 gigabytes, 80 gigabytes, something like that. But yeah, this is a huge difference if you, for example, have 256 gigabytes drive or you have 512 gigabytes. Okay, so we need to now detach our Vdisk so we can start the WSL. So we just need to open a new tab. And now we are running the WSL again. Everything is here. Okay, let's check if Docker also will start. So open the Docker desktop and wait a little to start. Okay, it's starting. And here we go. Everything is working properly. It's reading all files, all images. Great. So we're ready to go. So this is how you can regain your space from virtual drive from the WSL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. So see you next video.